Installing conventional fire detection and alarm system, or FDAS. To install a conventional fire detection and alarm system, you will need the following tools and materials: smoke detectors, heat detectors, firebox, output devices, specifically the strobe lights with horn, fire alarm control panel, red TF wire, black TF wire, power plug, screwdrivers, wire stripper, and cutter plier. In this video, we will be working with one zone of input devices. Strip the red and black TF wires to the length enough to make a connection to the terminals. Connect a red wire to the positive input terminal and the black wire to the negative input terminal of the FACP using a screwdriver. Make sure there are no exposed copper wires. Determine the locations of the initiating devices based on the electrical plan. From the FACP, connect the red wire to the smoke detector's positive terminal, then the black wire to the smoke detector's negative terminal. Use a screwdriver to connect the wires to the respective terminals. Get a new set of red and black wires. Connect the red wire to the positive terminal and the black wire to the negative terminal of the smoke detector. These wires will be connected to the heat detector. Mount the base of the smoke detector to the designated location. Attach the smoke detector to the base plate. From the smoke detector, connect the red wire to the positive terminal of the heat detector and the black wire to the negative terminal. Get another new set of red and black wires. Connect the red wire to the positive terminal of the heat detector and the black wire to the negative terminal. These new wires will be connected to the manual pull station. Mount the base of the heat detector to the designated location. Attach the heat detector to the base plate. From the heat detector, connect the red wire to the positive terminal of the manual pull station and the black wire to the negative terminal. Terminate the line of the initiating devices with the end-of-line resistance, or EOLR. Connect the positive or red wire to the positive terminal of the output device, and the negative or black wire to the negative terminal. Determine the location of the output devices based on the electrical plan. Mount the strobe lights with horn to its designated location. From the output device, connect the positive or red wire to the positive output terminal of the FACP and the negative or black wire to the negative output terminal. Terminate the line of the output devices with the end-of-line resistance, or EOLR.